Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Kritter Corner. I'm Hannah, your safari guide. Today we have a mammoth-sized question on our hands. How much does an elephant weigh? Get ready for some trunk-tastic facts about African elephants. First things first, let's talk about the incredible African elephant. Did you know that they are the largest land mammals on Earth? There are two species of African elephant, the African bush elephant and the African forest elephant. Our focus today is on the mighty African bush elephant. African bush elephants are found in many countries across Africa, from grassy savannas to dense forests. These gentle giants call a variety of habitats home. Did you know that elephants live in close-knit families? They have a strong social structure, and their family dynamic is amazing. Female elephants, called cows, and their young ones, called calves, live in groups called herds. The older males, called bulls, may sometimes live alone or live in small bachelor groups. The herds are run by the matriarch, the cow in charge. It is usually one of the grandmothers of the group who will pass down vital information to her family that will ensure the herd's survival. So, how much does an elephant weigh? Adult male African elephants can weigh anywhere from 5,000 to 14,000 pounds, while females typically range from 4,000 to 10,000 pounds. That's like having a small car roam across the savannah. So, what does something that big eat? Well, the answer might surprise you. Elephants are herbivores, which means their diet mostly consists of plants. They munch on leaves, grasses, fruit, and even bark. An adult elephant can eat 300 pounds of food a day. That's like devouring 60 large watermelons. African elephants have a variety of adaptations to help them beat the heat on the savannah. One of these is their massive ears. These ears help regulate their body temperature by keeping them cool by allowing heat to escape. They also have an amazing appendage called a trunk that sticks out off the front of their face. They use their trunk in a variety of ways, including grabbing mud to throw on their back, by grabbing water to bring up to their mouth, or to grab things around their environment. The trunk is a magnificent adaptation with over 40,000 muscles. Wow! Elephants also have thick skin to help keep them protected. But African elephant numbers have dwindled drastically to around 415,000 in the wild. But this number is staggering compared to some 25 million in the past. And unfortunately, it seems their numbers are still declining. While these gentle giants are awe-inspiring, they face some significant conservation challenges. African elephants are threatened by habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and sadly, poaching for their ivory tusks. Elephants face the most significant threat from the illegal ivory trade. Both male and female African elephants can have ivory tusks. Ivory is a hard material that is used for ornamental trinkets and trophies. Poachers will kill elephants just for their tusks, which are made of ivory. These poachers' actions not only destroy the elephant population, but also disrupt the delicate balance of nature. Always remember to never buy ivory products, and report them if you see them being sold illegally. It is now banned in many countries, and that is helping reduce the demand. Habitat loss occurs due to human activities like farming and building towns and cities, pushing elephants into smaller and fragmented habitats. Human-wildlife conflict arises when elephants and humans try to compete for the same resources. These conflicts can have devastating effects on the elephants. Human-elephant conflict is the second biggest threat to elephants today. But farmers are working with conservation groups to resolve these issues. One way being to plant chili peppers around crops where elephants live. As a non-lethal way, to prevent the wild elephants from munching on the crops. The chili plants not only keep the elephants away, but also provide another source of income for the farmer. These kind of solutions are what propel conservation forward in a world where all species can thrive. Conservation projects around the world are studying African elephants and their behaviors, working to prevent poaching, and creating protected areas where elephants can thrive.
Scientific name, Loxodonta africana. They are endangered, live in savannas and forests, eat leaves, grasses, fruit, and bark, and are threatened by the ivory poaching, habitat loss, and human-elephant conflict.
So the next time you wonder, how much does an elephant weigh? Remember the astonishing numbers and the challenges these giants face. Well, that's all for this episode. If you enjoyed this elephant-sized adventure, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the Kritter Corner. Until next time, stay wild.